Clarify your values. Imagine a single mother who works a full-time job at a factory. One day, when she wakes her son up for school, he says he doesn't feel well. She checks his temperature and he has a slight fever. Clearly, he can't go to school. She has to decide what to do with him for the day. She doesn't have any friends or family members who can stay with him. She could call in sick to her job, but she won't get paid if she takes the day off. If she doesn't get paid for the day, she'll struggle to afford groceries for the week. She also worries that missing another day of work could put her job at risk. She's already missed a lot of days due to the children being sick. She decides to leave her son home alone for the day. She knows other people will likely have a negative opinion about her choice to leave a sick child home alone when he's only 10 years old. However, her values tell her it's the right choice given her circumstances, regardless of how others may judge her. It's not that she values her job more than her son. In fact, she values her family more than anything. But she knows that going to work is best for the greater good of her family in the long run. When you're faced with decisions in your life, it's important to know exactly what your values are so you can make the best choices. Could you easily list your top 5 values off the top of your head? Most people can't. But if you aren't really clear on your values, how do you know where to put your energy, and how to make the best decisions? Taking time to clarify your values can be a very worthwhile exercise. Common values include children, romantic relationship, extended family, religious/spiritual beliefs, volunteering or helping other people, career, money, maintaining good friendships, taking care of your physical health, having a sense of purpose, leisure activities, pleasing people, education. Pick your top 5 values in life and rank them in order from most important to least important. Now stop and think about whether you are actually living according to those values. How much of your time, money, energy, and skill is devoted to each one? Are you putting too much effort into something that's not even on your list? Where on your list does pleasing people fall? It should never be at the top. Reviewing the order of your list from time to time can help you determine if your life is out of balance. Take time to decide whether to say yes or no. In the case of Megan, she avoided her cousin because she knew she couldn't say no if she was asked to do a favor. To help her say no, we developed a script. Whenever anyone asked her to do something, she responded by saying, "Let me see what I have going on, and I'll get back to you." That bought her some time to really think about whether she wanted to do something. Then, she could ensure that if she said yes, it was because she wanted to, not simply because she wanted to please others at her own expense. If automatically saying yes has become a habit in your life, learn how to evaluate your decision before giving an answer. When someone asks you to do something, ask yourself these questions before responding. Is this something I want to do? Most people pleasers don't even know what they want because they're so used to doing things automatically. Take a moment to evaluate your opinion. What will I have to give up by doing this? If you do something for someone else, you'll have to give something up. Maybe it's time with your family, or perhaps it will cost you money. Before making a decision, recognize what saying yes will mean for you. What will I gain by doing this? Maybe it will give you an opportunity to improve your relationship, or maybe doing something like this will likely be something you enjoy. Think about the potential benefits of saying yes. How will I feel if I do it? Are you likely to feel angry and resentful? Or will you feel happy and proud? Take some time to imagine how you're likely to feel as you weigh your options. Like Megan discovered, you don't need to have an excuse about why you can't do something. When you say no, you can say something such as "I wish I could, but I'm not going to be able to do that," or "Sorry, but I won't be able to." If you're not used to saying no, it can take some practice, but it gets easier with time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.